I just recorded a little addendum and then immediately deleted it. Just going to go back through the errors. This is going to be very quick. Unfortunately, I've already uploaded my video and I can't be bothered to take it down, add this on and put it back up again. So this is going to be standalone. The issue we had was I wanted to return a boxed in error. And it was going, no, you can't do that because what you've got is a parse in error instead. And I was like, well, I'm pretty sure this should convert on its own. Rust does not implicitly convert in most cases. The question mark operator itself will do the conversion for us for free if the area you're going from or the area you're going to implement into or from, respectively. Those are the same trait going the other way. So if a parse in error implements into error, standard error, the question mark operator will give you that for free, and it will do that conversion for you. Otherwise, what you need to do is tell Rust specifically, hi, yeah, I'd like to change my error, please. So we've got a map error function for result, which will only do something if you get an error. Right? And then we can call into. And the type system will go, okay, well, what we want is a boxed in error, and into will automatically go, oh, right, if we have an error, I'm going to give you that. So the options are either I have these two map error lines, which are going to take a parse in error and give me a din error, and then return a naked R, if you like. Or I get rid of these and use question marks. Now the question mark is going to unwrap the actual result value, if it's okay, so I then need to wrap it back up again. I think this one looks a lot nicer, and the only other place this comes up is here, because again, I'm returning a straight up error with a string inside it, and I just add the question mark to implicitly convert it. I mean, I guess if you know the question mark is doing it, that's explicit, but that's splitting hairs. And again, the equivalent in Go would be, very roughly, something like mem error is equal to load self.load mem with param location. If error not equal nil, return error. And then we'd say out error is what is m parse, and obviously these aren't the types you have in Go, but you know, the sort of Go-y way. And I know you can do this in one line, but nonetheless you're still doing the same boilerplate. So all of this is handled by that question mark and then that question mark. And I think it's so much nicer. So much of the code base that we used to work on was just this, and it's very hard to read, because for every one line doing something, you've got 3 lines doing fuck all, and it also means that it's much harder to chain things together. And, you know, chaining things together into single lines isn't necessarily always the right answer, but like in this case, when I want to convert this type, like this makes a lot of sense. Cool, that's it. I also fixed the tests because I think the instructions are unclear. Maybe I'll cover that on part 4.